Now it's time for NDTV Profit Exclusive. Well, Titan launches its first lab-grown diamond store under the new brand name Beyond in Mumbai. And our colleague Mahima joins in from the location to give us an update on this particular store and the growing trend for lab-grown diamonds, Mahima.
Absolutely, Nisha. So I am right here in the Andheri West store of Beyond, the first store that Titan as a brand has launched. This is overall a 1,000 square feet store that we're looking at with over 700 designs of lab-grown diamond jewelry. Now, if you take a look at the store, you have the jewelry ranging anywhere between that 4,000 to over 4 lakh rupees. The jewelry which is placed here right now, you can see that this has a range of around 10,000 odd rupees, and this is the most expensive jewelry in place, which is over 5 lakh rupees right now. In terms of the type and how the overall jewelry that is present here is VS Clarity, and the color that you have is F2G color. It is set typically in that 14 karat to 18 karat gold, and overall this is right now pointed towards your daily as well as casual jewelry wear. Making charges anywhere range right now between 1,800 to 2,000 per gram is what the current making charges are. Of course, this might change going forward as well. In terms of buyback, right now they are not doing any buyback, and the certification, I'll show you the certificate as well. The certification is an in-house certification that you'll get once you purchase the lab-grown diamond for here. This is what the certificate will look like. Lastly, in terms of how is this different slightly from the trend lab-grown diamond jewelry that they're doing, here they're focusing more towards gold jewelry. Trend also, of course, has a shop-in format, which they generally do, which is more silver focused, but this is more gold focused. Now the question really here is that you're seeing surroundings with customers as well. People are already being educated with regards to where the lab-grown diamond stands, and people are already aware about what lab-grown diamonds are, and they are ready to purchase. So the demand, which in the past 2 years we've seen that the demand has been developing, is now also being seen as developed in terms of where lab-grown diamonds stand. So this is the overall view of the, in fact, the first look exclusively on NDTV Profit that you're seeing of Beyond for lab-grown diamonds by Titan.
All right, Mahima, thank you so much for getting us those details. I wonder how many women are going to really accept lab-grown diamonds when they are being proposed. So we still have to see how this particular segment really grows. But Titan coming up with a new brand, Beyond.